Jam, you click here, you press, and you're looking the, and this here for the looking the paper jam, the printer solution. Okay, you're looking the paper. This here for the review, and the error paper jam. This here for serial, the HP printer, and this here for cable, and for the cable laptop, put to laptop. Okay, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See why next time the video. If you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See why next time.